Hello, welcome to Peinefix. I'm Ishwar, your tech. This is a motherboard MacBook Pro A1708. Actually, this motherboard I bought on eBay as a defect. Normally I buy, sometimes I buy the defect motherboards on eBay and other websites, so I can use the donor board. Okay, when I receive the another defect or the MacBook repair, I can find out the problem. Maybe I need the IC, the diode, and capacitor. Mostly these two ICs here. This is a USB-C controller, 1, 2. So two ICs here. Most likely this IC, one of the IC get defect because of that is the main power rail. It's handled the 20 to 25-30 volts. So I can order the internet, but it takes too long time, 2 to 3 weeks. So I have to wait. Another problem is maybe that IC not working correctly if it is not original. But on the donor board, it's 100% sure it's working. Okay. Most likely the water damage devices, the processor or other GPU defect, they sell on the eBay and other websites. So if I got the cheap price, I buy the boards. This motherboard I bought for best offer seller listed on the €40 plus €6 postage charge. I just asked the €30, so €35 totally. He accepted and he sent it to this motherboard. And also I received along with this motherboard one audio connector cable. Okay, so that's a good deal. Every time when I buy the defected board, I just control on the my microscope what happened to this motherboard. Here I will show you. This motherboard has no symptom for water damage. Here one sticker, can you see it? Here the white sticker, this is the one sticker, on another one here. Okay, and this motherboard is like new. There's no water damage symptom. Even I have tested on the microscope, and it's like new. Then I have checked some rails. It doesn't take any voltage for MacBook Pro model USB-C. Okay, when I connect the charger, I will show you what happened. Okay, I just want to share my knowledge, my experience when I cut the charger. Okay, processor not heat. Okay, maybe no, it's ice cold. Here can you see I have connected, but there's no voltage symptoms or no ampere watts. So but when I test on the multimeter, okay, for example some point, I will show you here. Okay, 5 volts. Okay, 5 volts, but the board takes 5 volts, some milliampere I think, but my multi charger is normally when we charge any telephone or the MacBook, it shows how many voltage, how many ampere and total watts it takes. Okay, but in my case it doesn't show any voltage or the ampere. Okay, this is a voltmeter. It's handled 4 to 30 volts. Yeah. Okay, and maximum current 0 to 5.1 ampere. Okay, it supports quick charging 3.0. So when I connect this charger here, okay, the voltage pass through this direction, okay, to the board, and it takes 0.027 milliampere. So this is a good, but here there's a no. Can you see? So this is a good voltmeter for the technician. This is a good device for the technician to first diagnostic mobile phone or the MacBook, any other USB-C consumer electronic. I use this for often. Diode input voltage source 5 volts, but output voltage is something 3.94 volts. So I have already checked the capacitors. The diode is faulty, I think, so I am going to remove the diode. I have narrowed down the problem. I think this diode is faulty one. Okay, this is a PP bus G3 hot main power rail. This is always on power rail, and here I have 5 volts, and after the diode I have 4 volts. There's some voltage drop. I have removed some capacitors because of most of the time the capacitors get faulty or sorted to ground, but all capacitors are good. So I have removed this diode and measured with a multimeter. And the one diode is good, another one is not good. Okay, maybe it has a high resistance. That's the reason I have here 5 volts and here 4 volts. This is a G3 hot 3.3 volts power supply. This power supply need a minimum 5 volts here, but we have 4 volts. That's the reason this power supply is not on. It needs minimum 5 volts. SMC need this voltage to turning on. Then only SMC will turn on other power ICs. Okay, that's stuck on the 5 volts. Okay, here, so it's stuck on the 5 volts. I have removed the diode. Here is the diode I have already removed, and I have removed the capacitor before and checked all capacitors are good. This is a PP bus G3 hot 3.3 volts power supply, power IC, and this chip need a 3.3 volts, 5 volts that come from here. Here one is from the charging adapter, one is from the battery, and here is a double diode. So problem is here 5 volts available, here 3.9 something volts, 5 volts. Okay, here available, but here this is for the battery, and after the diode only 3.9 this line. Okay, here I receive the 5 volts. Okay, see the meter here. Okay, and yes, yeah, it's off. Yes, now it's taking this arrow is functioning at 20 volts, 0.569 milliampere. So this is a symptoms board is working. Okay, so thank you for watching.